Show me how we do it.
We take the cap off.
Okay, do it.
Do it.
Pull it down.
This down.
Now, where does the gas go? Right there? All right, well, let's leave that on, okay? We're just going to explain it right now. Now, where is the oil? Yeah. Now, where's the motor?
No. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. All right, now, where's the gas go again? Yeah. Now, what else can you tell me about it? Where are the blades at? One of the things we don't never touch, right? We never touch that, right? Now, where's the key to turn it on? All right, now where's the gas pedal? Don't turn it on. Yep. Where's the brake? Yeah. Now, how do you engage the blade? Yeah. Now, how do you make the blade lower? Yeah. And then, how you steer it? You got it, buddy. You are going to be the best grass mower ever. And there's the keys. Tell everybody bye.
Bye.
Say, look at the camera and say bye.